What is up, guys and gals? We'll be doing the iPhone 13 unboxing. This is going to be my first look, just kind of looking over it. We'll take a quick look at the box. As you guys can see, I did get the red one. It's got red labels over here, front, sides. Everything is red. On the back, iPhone 13. It's got some of the information of what comes in it. And you guys should know that there is nothing in these boxes, no more charging cubes. So we do come with the charging cable. We have that, and then we also have some other reading information. Got a product red. This is just a little card. We got a SIM eject tool, some reading information, and once again we have our Apple stickers. So no charging cube, just a cable. So if you don't want, or if you need one, you're gonna have to buy another one. It does not come with it. So here's the design, very, somewhat similar. We got more cameras going on. Kind of seems to be the trend. One of the older designs where I have the aluminum frame, so that is pretty cool. We do have a power button here on the side. Looks like there is something here as well, some kind of sensor. I'm not quite sure what that is. Top has nothing. We got the silent, the mute switch. Got volume up, volume down. The SIM tray is right down here, and then we got the charging cable at the bottom. We'll go ahead and peel that. So there you guys have it. There's what this phone looks like. The glass back. We got the cameras. So once again, these cameras, they do stick out a little bit, protrude out, but overall pretty cool design. I like the feel. I like this squared, more of a squared design. I wasn't too big of a fan of the rounded over phones that they had earlier. This just makes it a little easier, I guess, for me to hold. It just kind of, you get that extra bit of like grip to it. So there you guys have it. Just my quick unboxing, quick look at the Apple iPhone 13. If you guys want to see tutorials and stuff, I will be doing those. So go ahead and subscribe. Check out that playlist. They will be full of different tutorials on the iPhone 13. Thank you guys all for joining in, checking this out. Peace.